It's late afternoon and Maria Munyani is about to start preparing dinner for her family in her new kitchen. It's part of a new 3-bedroomed house built with compensation payment for their land, which stood on the path the new standard gauge rail line will pass through.
I was staying at a place called Shauri Moyo.
Her husband David says the Kenyan government paid the family about $24,000 and it has changed their lives.
We feel better than the way we were before, because now that money came in a lump sum and we were able to plan ourselves and arrange how we shall settle. As you can see, we have tried with the money that we got, and we are not badly off. The remaining part we shall finish.
He's referring to the back of the house where he's building a new business for his wife. Evidence of the impact the SGR project has had on the town of Mtito Andei is all around me. The town's new millionaires are making the most of their newfound wealth. His immediate neighbor, also a beneficiary of the compensation scheme, is putting up houses for rent. His home already built. Adjacent to him, another beneficiary is also building a new home for his family. But not everyone has used their compensation wisely.
There are some other people who misused the money. Others, you saw even in papers, they were planning, I think, to go have good time, I don't know, in the coast, Mauritius.
The National Land Commission is still in negotiations with some landowners who have refused to move, insisting the compensation is too little. But for David and his family, they are beginning a new phase in their lives, in their new home. Wabat Nagela, CCTV, Mtito Andei, Kenya.